Hey everybody, it's I Want2Be-Retro. Today we're going to take a look at running a containerized OpenVPN server in Docker. To get started, log into the host where we'll be installing Docker. First, we'll use apt-install to install a few prerequisite packages required to install Docker. Then we'll add the Docker GPG key and apt repository. Next, we'll use apt-install to install Docker, Docker Compose, and Containerd. With the Docker packages installed, we'll set the Docker service to be started and enabled, add the current user to the Docker group, then re-authenticate the current user for the group changes to take effect. We now have Docker installed and configured. We'll create a working directory for the OpenVPN server, then set some variables for the OpenVPN container. The OVPN host variable should be the external IP address or DNS name that will be configured to reach the OpenVPN server. In this example, vpn.iwantoberetro.net. The OVPN client variable can be anything that will help you identify the client the VPN profile was created for. With all the variables set, we'll use a docker run command to create a new OpenVPN configuration. Then a second docker run command to initialize the OpenVPN PKI. Follow the prompts to set passwords for the certificate authority and private key. With the PKI initialized, we're now ready to start the OpenVPN container. We'll use another docker run command to start the OpenVPN server as a daemon. Next, we'll generate a client profile by running another docker run command. Enter the CA password created earlier when prompted. And finally, we'll export the client OpenVPN configuration to a .ovpn file to be used by an OpenVPN client. We'll use the cat command to output the contents of the OVPN file to be easily copy and pasted as needed. Next, from the client device, we need to install an OpenVPN client. I'll be using the Windows client in this example. Download and install the OpenVPN client, accepting all the defaults. With the OpenVPN client now installed, we need to copy the contents of the OVPN file we created from Docker and paste it into an OVPN file on the client. I'll look up the configuration file location for the Windows client and open the directory in File Browser. Then copy the output from the cat command we last ran on the Docker host. Right-click in the client configuration folder on the client and select New Text Document. Give the new file a name with the .ovpn extension. Then edit the new file in a text editor. And paste the OpenVPN configuration from the clipboard, then save the changes. With the client configuration in place, we can now right-click on the OpenVPN icon in the system tray and select Connect and the client profile name. Before doing so, I'll tail the OpenVPN server log on the Docker host. We can now see in real time as the client connects what's happening on the server. You now have a self-hosted OpenVPN server running in Docker.